Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at the 4K Electronic Digital Microscope, a versatile tool perfect for a wide range of applications from soldering to scientific research. This advanced microscope features 1080p HDMI, VGA, and USB outputs, a 150x zoom lens, a foldable bracket, and a remote control for ease of use. Let's dive into the details of this powerful device and explore its numerous applications and features. Features and specifications. 4K Ultra HD quality, capture stunning detail with a 2.8-inch SONY sensor, offering 48 million pixels and 4K video recording, 3840 by 2160. It also supports 1080p HDMI and VGA outputs for crystal clear imagery. Versatile applications, ideal for zoology, biology, botany, entomology, histology, mineralogy, archaeology, geology, dermatology, and more. It's also used in the textile industry for inspecting raw materials and fabrics. Precision tool, perfect for the electronics industry. This microscope assists in transistor welding, mobile phone repairs, and watch inspections. It's also invaluable in biological anatomy, lens quality inspection, and the assembly of precision parts. Robust design, the monolithic construction with a screw joint structure ensures a stable and integrated design, while the aluminum alloy and PC material make it lightweight and durable. Advanced imaging features, with manual and automatic exposure and white balance, RGB adjustability, and 16 datum lines for precise measurements, this microscope ensures accurate and detailed analysis. Convenient storage and usage, the microscope supports TF card storage up to 64 GB and can be easily connected to computers for data transfer and analysis. Applications. Scientific research, widely used in zoology, biology, botany, and other scientific fields for detailed observation and study. Industrial inspection, essential for the inspection of electronic components, precision parts, textiles, and various materials. Educational use, a great tool for universities and schools to enhance the learning experience in biology, geology, archaeology, and more. Hobbyist and professional use, perfect for hobbyists in electronics, watch repair, and other fields requiring precise and detailed magnification. Package includes 4K Electronic Digital Microscope, 150x zoom C-mount lens, fold bracket, remote control, Type-C charging cable, color box. How to install. Assemble the stand, attach the foldable bracket to a stable surface. Mount the microscope, secure the microscope on the bracket using the screw joint. Connect the lens, attach the 150x zoom C-mount lens. Power on, connect the microscope to a power source using the Type-C charging cable. Connect to display, use HDMI, VGA, or USB to connect to your monitor or computer. Adjust settings, use the remote control to adjust zoom, exposure, white balance, and other settings as needed. Join us as we explore the full potential of this amazing 4K Electronic Digital Microscope. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tutorials.